traffic lights turn right, please. So it's a crossroads.
Yeah.
There's a big area in the middle.
Yeah. But we want to sort of keep
good.
straight,
I can, until it's generally offside to offside that you would turn in a situation like this. But if there's no one there, Steve, from the other way,
then we just
shortest route and just go.
Yeah.
Go where the red car is. Obviously, we're not turning down where the blue ones just come from.
Yeah.
So, who is coming from the other way?
Okay.
Good. Shortest route and go. There you go. Perfect. Make sense?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
So if no one's there to turn with and you know you're just going to flow,
Just
solid, just move, just get out of there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job.